Hello and welcome to MyIB, an introduction. Today we'll look at how to create an account on the IBO website. Let's begin by going to ibo.org. This is the landing page for all IB programs. If you'll notice in the top left is a link to MyIB. Click on that and continue to follow the instructions. I'll walk you through from here. If you are a new user, click on the highlighted area here for New User. If you are returning, sign in with username and password. If you've forgotten, you may email and request a reset password. If you are creating a new account, it will take you to this page. Please use your personal email account so that if you leave St. Gilgen at some point, your account will go with you. This will become your IB account for all the years that you're teaching and working with IB. Every time you close the screen, be sure to security check and click the terms and conditions before hitting submit. Now that you've created an account, go back to the IBO webpage and log into MyIB using your newly created username, which is your email, and your password. Once you've signed in, it will bring you to this page. We'll come back to this later, but right now let's look at MyIB roles. Click here and again follow the instructions as you complete your profile for the IB. Now your page will look a bit different. Since I am already enrolled with the MyIB, it shows the various roles I have. You're going to be adding first as a teacher. Click on the application button for the area marked teacher and then follow the instructions again. To begin your role application, you must first enter your school name. A helpful tip is to type in the word Gilgen, as there are many other Saint and international schools. This will pull up the correct St. Gilgen International School. Then find your role as teacher and which program, either diploma or MYP. Today we'll be adding a role for the MYP. Once you click this, it will populate other parts of the fields. The program coordinator will either be populated with my name or John's name, depending on the program. It will then ask you to select what subject or field you're teaching in. As an example today, I'm adding design. It will then ask specifically what design course do I teach. Once I have identified which course, I add it to the right column. Once that's completed, I'll click the Submit button on the right-hand side. At this point, you will be asked to confirm your application. As always, be sure to click that you agree to the terms and conditions. Otherwise, when you click Submit, you will wait and wait with no response. Now that you have an IB login, you can access the many valuable resources that are available from the IB. From now on, when you sign in to the MyIB account, you'll have this landing page. It may look different than mine, but you'll see critical and valuable resources available to you. The Program Resource Center has a wealth of information for all the programs of the IB. Take your time and browse through. This is a useful and beneficial resource. And there you have it, access to MyIB. Hopefully you will find this to be a valuable tool and resource. If you need to watch the video, it will still be here, or always feel free to email me with questions. Thanks again, and have a good afternoon.